Hi beautiful people, welcome back once again to Tastiest for You's channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my wakye stew. That is the Ghanaian wakye stew. So I have here onions. I have the red and the white onions, 2 medium size each. Green bell pepper, 1 medium size green bell pepper. 1 red bell pepper. Tomato paste. Fresh tomatoes. Guys, the fresh tomatoes in this recipe is optional. And carrot. The carrot too is optional. Dawa curry powder. Natural spice mix. So guys, I will leave everything that is in my natural spice mix in the descriptive box below. Fish powder. Salt to taste. Bay leaf. 1 Maggi stock cube. I'll be using tomato sauce. This one is my homemade tomato sauce. So I have my oil on fire. Let's get started. And for protein, I'll be using cow thighs and goat meat. So I have it already on fire. I will leave everything that I use to steam this meat in the descriptive box below. So now I have my oil on fire and it's heated. At this time, I'm going to add in all the vegetables to it at this time. So guys, now everything is in here. I'm going to just fry all this in the oil for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then I'll bring them out and then we blend it. So it's been 8 minutes now and this is how it's looking like. At this time I'm going to take everything out and then blend it. And then use the same oil to fry our meat. So now we have our meat on fire and we are frying it. So whilst it's on fire frying, we're going to blend our vegetables. So now the meat is done. We're going to take it out of the oil, and in the same oil we go ahead and then add in our tomato paste. So now we have in the tomato paste, we're going to fry it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then we add in our blended vegetables to it. Guys, let me remind you that to have a perfect and delicious wakye stew, it needs more oil. If you want to have that wakye stew color, the flavor and everything, you need to use more oil. But you don't have to worry about it, because after everything is done you can still pour the oil from the stew. But wakye stew requires a lot of oil. So now we have in the blended vegetables. So we're going to let it be on fire for about 15 minutes. Then we add in our tomato sauce to it. So it's been 20 minutes now since we added in the blended vegetables. So at this time I'm going to add in the tomato sauce to it. Now we're going to stir everything in and then add in the meat stock to it. Now we have in everything and we've stirred it together. So we're going to let it be on fire for 45 to 50 minutes. Then our stew will be ready. So it's been 30 minutes now after we added in the tomato sauce to it. So at this time I'm going to add in all the spices, the fish powder and the dawa to it, and stir everything in at this time. And then let it be on fire for about 10 minutes. Then we add in our meat and let it be on fire for additional 10 minutes. Then our stew will be ready. So we're going to stir everything in now and then taste for salt. If more salt is needed, then we will add salt to it at this time. This is how I make my Ghanaian wakye stew. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for future uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends, and they are going to thank you later. Bye bye and have a good one.